Some basics. How are you breathing? That's truly how we stay alive on the planet. And it is the connection to the soul. How are you breathing? Is it shallow? Do you know how to take a full breath? Maybe you don't. If you don't, there's some resources here on this channel. There's resources on YouTube. There's resources anywhere you look. You can type it into Google. We are so resourced right now, more than ever in history, so no excuses. Learn how to take a yogic breath in through the nose. Inhale the belly, ribs, chest. Exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Again, resources here. How are you eating? How are you sleeping? All of these basic things make all the difference in the world. And then you start adding more things. Think about adding things instead of taking away. Add in a yoga practice. Add in a meditation practice. Add in journaling. Stick with it for 40 days. Don't stop. Please don't stop. Stick with it. 40 days is when neurological changes happen in your brain. Scientifically proven. The yogis already knew this for hundreds of years, but now we're putting science on top of yogic practice. So 40 days, that's how long you actually need to make a change in your body. So stick with it 40 days before you start anything new and before you start complaining that it doesn't work. You may need guidance, you may need support. We all do, nothing wrong with that, but you have the ability to heal yourself. So recognize your power, recognize your strength. Know that even in the darkest moments, you can pull yourself out. Our journey is full of dark and full of light. And I hope that hearing my story helps you know that you're not alone and that you can do it, but also that I've done it and that many of those around you share this. So that's one thing we all humans can bond on. We're all doing this. We're all doing versions of this. Some of us are conscious of it, some of us are not, and that's okay. Everyone has their own time, but you have the power to heal yourself. So use that power. That is the future. Take care of your body, take care of your mind. The mind is incredibly powerful. Your will, whatever you will into existence, actually becomes reality. So that's my healing journey. I hope you are inspired, and I hope you heal. And if you need help, just reach out. I'm here for you.